In this video we're focusing on how to get rid of spiders in your house. While spiders are beneficial in controlling pests, their presence inside can be unsettling for many. Let's explore effective ways to manage and reduce the number of spiders in your home. Spiders typically enter homes in search of food, warmth, or shelter. While most house spiders pose little to no threat to humans, many people prefer their homes to be spider-free due to fear or the desire for a clean, web-free environment. The first step in controlling spiders is to prevent them from entering your home. Check for gaps around windows, doors, and foundations. Use caulk to seal small openings and install weather stripping around doors and windows to keep spiders out. Spiders are attracted to clutter because it offers them plenty of hiding spots. Regular cleaning reduces the places spiders can hide. Vacuum regularly, dust often, and declutter your space to discourage spiders from settling in. Regularly inspect corners of rooms, under furniture, behind curtains, and around light fixtures for spider webs. Use a broom or vacuum attachment to remove webs and egg sacs, which can prevent future generations of spiders from developing. Spiders are often drawn to homes by the insects that gather around exterior lights. Use yellow sodium vapor lights, which are less attractive to insects and, consequently, spiders. Alternatively, position outdoor lighting to shine away from direct entry points into your home. There are several natural substances known to repel spiders, such as peppermint oil, vinegar, or citrus. Mix water with a few drops of peppermint oil or lemon juice and spray around windowsills, doorways, and other spider entry points. The strong smells discourage spiders from crossing into your space. Place non-toxic sticky traps in areas where spiders are frequently seen, such as basements, garages, and under furniture. These traps will capture spiders as they move, helping to reduce the overall population in your home. Outside your home, encourage the presence of natural spider predators. Birds, for instance, eat spiders. Installing a bird feeder or birdhouse may help reduce the spider population by increasing the number of bird visits to your property. Consistently monitor your home for signs of spiders and repeat the preventive measures regularly. Keeping up with home maintenance and cleaning schedules is crucial for keeping spiders away long-term. That's how you can effectively reduce the presence of spiders in your home. Remember, consistency in prevention and maintenance is key to keeping your living space spider-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.